It's a rich thing.
My dear friend Sanmesar Pratap Patel. He is the MD and founder of Team AeroTech. He is an engineering graduate who believes in sharing knowledge and spreading awareness among the engineers.
Hello everyone, once again welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about the world's first zero emission commercial aircraft and which could enter in service by 2035. So let's start this video and try to look the basics of this zero emission commercial aircraft. So according to Airbus, by 2035 the world's first zero emission commercial aircraft could take to the sky to bring this vision to reality. And Airbus is exploring game-changing concept aircraft known as ZEROe. So for your better understanding, let me tell you ZEROe. It's powered by hydrogen zero emission technology with the potential to reduce aircraft emission by up to 50%. And also Airbus has revealed 3 concepts for the world's first zero emission commercial aircraft which could enter in service by 2035, and they are turbofan, turboprop and blended aircrafts. Now have a look on these aircrafts.
I am Rakesh Kumar Shah, the CEO and founder of Team AeroTech. A short and quick introduction of our organization, Team AeroTech. Team AeroTech is a startup organization established by young engineers and space enthusiasts with a motive to share their knowledge and experience across the globe and to help the needy people.